Well, hey everybody, so glad you could join me today. So I wanted to share with you guys some really exciting news, and it's a project that I've been working on for quite a while now. Um, you know how I have all these YouTube videos for you guys, and then sometimes if you're making something, you either make a comment, or you email. Well, that gets a little cumbersome, so. And I know also, there's an awful lot of advertisements that you have to see within the videos. So one of the things, and those of you who are on my email list, you will see that I'm starting my own online Sugar Plum Dolls Academy. And I want you to be the first to know, and I want you to come and stop by and see it. There's going to be a ton of bonuses for you guys. All kinds of really great gifts. It'll be a nominal fee, depending on, what it is you want. There are different price points. It's going to be a ton of fun. Every month, I'll do I'll do monthly one-on-one sessions or group sessions for you guys, small group sessions, because I know there's a lot of you who have questions about like where I get my products from, or some specifics on how do you make sales, how do you start your own website or your own online business, but mostly a lot of the DIY arts and crafts, baking, cooking, sewing, growing, all kinds of things like that. So I want you guys to be the first to know. And I hope you will join me. It'll be here. Sugar Plum Dolls Academy. And I know you're going to love it. And you might not see me putting so many videos here on YouTube, unfortunately, because I really want to focus on getting my online school up and running. And I want to make it special, and I want to make it great. And I've got a lot of great friends who are going to be helping me with this project. And it's going to be super, super cool. And if my eyes look really red, oh my gosh. I've been working so hard on this project, but today I just said I got to get this video done, so I got to let everybody know what's going on, because I know I had posted a whole bunch of videos like in the last 6 months or so, like really frequently, but now I really want to launch this school and make it super, super special, super, super duper for you guys. So I hope you will join me. I hope you will enjoy what you're going to see on the new online training academy at Sugar Plum Dolls. And if you have any questions at all, don't forget, send me a shout out, email me, but most of all, join me in my new online school.